It's a revolution.
This is the future.
Is number one.
The game has changed in artificial intelligence.
Mediapet.
The first platform that can actually consistently outperform human ad creation. We just created a GPT that creates user-generated content. It's a huge revolution. It means that now you can edit using GPT-style functionality where you talk to the computer and just like that.
You can change the spokesperson.
And if you're not happy with that one, go again. Or this is the actual me. You could actually use a real person.
And you can be anywhere. You could be in front of the pyramids of Giza, in the rainforests of the Amazon,
or even on the surface of the moon. So now there are 3 modes. When you create a project, you go in and you choose between a video ad, a short film, or a spokesperson. And Mediapet is the first platform that gives you a spokesperson with demo. That means all you have to do is give our system a picture, and it will turn that picture into a full animated video with demonstrating whatever it is that the spokesperson is talking about. And with the new short film mode, now you can do productions that are up to 5 minutes in length. 5 minutes while preserving the consistency that is so characteristic of Mediapet. So write Mediapet in the comment below, and we'll send you a link for a free trial at Mediapet.ai.